You are going to love the 2024 Genesis G70. Impressive engine performance and exquisite handling push the Genesis G70 to the front of the pack. Fully integrated technology, off-the-chart safety features, and the luxurious interior and exterior styling of this vehicle all distinguish this vehicle from the rest. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.